In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quotes in Substack. Quotes are a great way to add emphasis, highlight key ideas, or bring an outside voice into your writing. Substack makes this simple, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, readable quote in your post. First, open Substack in your browser and sign in to your account. It's helpful to have your article idea or draft ready so you know where the quote should appear. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Create button. Click Create to start something new. From the options that appear, click Article. This opens the main editor where you'll draft your newsletter or blog post. Place your text cursor where you want the quote to appear. Then click Insert Quote. You'll see options for how your quote will look within the layout. Substack gives you two choices here, a block quote or a pull quote. A block quote is best for longer passages or complete thoughts you want to present clearly. It usually spans the full content width and separates the quoted text from your regular paragraphs. A pull quote, on the other hand, is a shorter, stylized line that draws attention, great for a striking statement or a memorable phrase you want readers to notice as they scan the page. For this demonstration, we'll choose a block quote. This format is straightforward, accessible, and keeps your flow intact when quoting a sentence or a short paragraph. Once you select block quote, the editor will switch that section into a dedicated quote area. Now enter your quote here. You can type it directly or paste it from your source. Keep the punctuation true to the original and double-check accuracy before moving on. If you need to credit the source, it often looks cleanest to add the attribution in the regular text just below or above the quote, rather than inside the quote block itself. A few practical tips as you work. Keep quotes concise so they support your point without overwhelming the reader. Use them sparingly to maintain impact, and make sure the quote genuinely adds value, clarity, authority, or a fresh perspective. If the quote is long, consider trimming it carefully while preserving meaning. And if you're using a pull quote instead of a block quote, pick a short, self-contained line that still makes sense on its own. That's all there is to it. Open Substack, click Create, click Article, insert a quote. Choose between block or pull quote. Select block quote for this example, and enter your quote. With these steps, your writing will look more polished, and your key ideas will stand out.